All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Carl's Garage. I gotta come in here and get a bunch of tools for this because we got a big trip. Let's go. All right, guys, so Carl's Garage here. Listen, come to Harbor Freight. They got this jack right here. I don't need a low profile. Everything I have is kind of high, like my Accord and my truck. So I actually prefer, even though I like the width of the low profile, I feel it's more safe, but either way, this right here is gonna be perfect for the truck because I'm gonna do the front brakes. This is max height. So this one actually does go higher, it's a little more. This one goes higher, but this one is just like an inch difference as far as max height, so it's not bad. If anything, I could put like a block of wood here, but for $139, I got a coupon for $139. So gotta come check this out. 3-ton, that's totally enough. I mean, I don't even know what you would need a 4-ton for. My truck isn't, it's big, but this should be more than enough to get it off the ground and change those brake pads, which is what I'm gonna be doing today before we head on our journey to Iowa. All right, guys, so I'm trying to see what size lug nuts I have on my car. So the gentleman let me take this out here to try this because it's bigger than a 21, but they only sell this size, which is a 24 in singles. So I'm gonna see, that's too big. So we're looking at about 22. So this is too big, so I need a 22. So it looks like I'm gonna have to buy the whole thing. All right, guys, so I got all my stuff right here. What's pretty cool is they got some Black Friday sales, and I got a pair of free gloves. Got a free pair of gloves. Everything here was under $200, so I can't beat that. Got this big jack for that big thing right there. If those wheels weren't so big, they're 24s, so that's why I need such a big jack. I know it's kind of overkill, but I really wanted a 4-ton, but 3-ton will work. And then the biggest thing that I want to check now that I own it is the 22, 30, 27, 22 socket. Oh man, I should have went with standard size. Let me get this off. All right, so I can't even get this off because in order to get it off, you have to unscrew it here in the back. So that sucks. So I can't even test. Well, you know what? Let me see if I can test it right like this. It seems like it might fit. I think I got a screwdriver in my back hatch. Carl's Garage, always keep a screwdriver. I'm gonna unscrew this. Oh, is it too big? Damn it, I don't have a little one. Let's see. I did take some tools out of here recently. Let's see if this will work. Damn it. All right, I'm gonna have to figure this out. So I had to damage it a little bit, but I was able to get it off. Let's go see if it fits. This is a 22. Ah, perfect, fits perfect. So cool. So now I know that I'm 22 here, and I got me some new brake pads because what's been happening, whenever I'm stopping, it's vibrating. So I got some new brake pads from Amazon. They're on their way. I'm gonna swap these out. I should be all set. So come check out Harbor Freight. They got some really good deals going on. Again, I picked up this thing right here for $139 with the coupon. Got a whole set. This was like 30 something, so let me show my receipt. 186 total. That's not bad. $31 for that. And then got the free pair of gloves, so 186 total. That's not bad for this and that whole set right there. So that's it. So, yep, just a little quick vlog video today.